All right, today we got a 2021 Cadillac, and basically the customer's concern is that you unlock the car and you try to open the door from the passenger side and nothing happens. I'll show you all that. When you go to the driver's side, you're able to unlock the car. Let me show you something here. You can see. Well, it's hard to see, but this one has like a switch in here. That's basically what unlocks the car. And if you press here on the driver's side, you can hear a solenoid coming on. But on the passenger side, there's nothing. So I'm gonna hook up the scanner because I want to see if, by looking at the body control module data pits, if I can see any signal, any input from the sensor that could potentially help me in the right direction. So let's do that. Another thing to note is that from inside the car, I'm able to lock and unlock. I'm also able to open the door without any issues. And same thing with the remote. But what's not responding is the switch from the outside handle. So let's check out with the scanner. See if we get anything here. I decided to start by checking for fault codes, and there's not a single DTC here that's related to the symptom we have in here. So we're gonna go to the body control module. Let's go to live data, and then let's pick all parameters. Then here, let's type door. So we got the door open switch, but that's just the switch that comes open and close, depending the position, if you have the door open or closed. So let's keep looking. All right, we got the exterior right front door handle switch and exterior left front door handle switch. So let's see what happens when I operate those switches. So I'm gonna operate the drivers, and every time I do that, you can see it goes from inactive to active. Well, let's see what happens on the passenger side. So I'm pressing on the switch now. Oh, for a moment I thought it came on. All right, I'm done removing the door panel, and I'm back proving disconnector right here, which is the one disconnector is for the outer handle switch, and the pin where I'm at, I'm getting like around 7 volts, and it looks like this voltage should be pulled to ground whenever I hit on the switch. And right now, it's not really getting pulled to ground, which means like most likely we have a bad sensor, a bad switch. But I would like to, since I'm not way too familiar with this circuit, I'm gonna compare it to the driver's side and see how it looks like. So right now I'm on the driver's side. I'm back probing the same blue wire, and it's the same pin where I was having, yeah, it's pretty much the same, around 7 volts on the passenger side. But let's see if now when I press it, if it gets pulled to ground. So I'm gonna press it. As y'all can see, it gets pulled all the way to ground, which means that we definitely have a bad switch on the passenger side, the switch that goes on the outer handle. So we're gonna install a new outer handle switch. We're gonna replace it, and that should be the fix. So we got the new switch installed on the handle, and it's totally fine now. It's not a single issue. So we got it done. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in the next one.